Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm sorry because I'm having a bad lighting, or guys can tell good lighting, I don't know. But this is my second thing. But yeah, I'm sorry not making video again, but don't forget to subscribe. Wait. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sorry they're not making video again, but yeah, because you know. And wait, what am I saying? And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And let's get started. So I got 3 presents. This is this is from my friends. This is from my mom. So yeah, and this is I bought. So yeah, this is really nice actually. So the first thing I got is these kind of, what is this called? Chunky cake, I guess. But yeah, it's really chunky. So, and I heard everyone says that this is a chunky cake. But yeah, chunky cake, I guess. Have love. Love. Next, why I'm doing this? Next, the second thing I got is this pom pom cream. But the face I peel it off the face and I put it in the crispy packaging, and it's really nice and soft. Yeah. Next, the third is Gudetama squishy. Gudetama bun squishy. Really soft and solarizing. Next, fourth, or whatever, Hello Kitty coffee mug. It's really solarizing. I love this so much, and it's really soft. And it got defected. La. Next, the last is, why I'm doing this? Yeah, because it is fun. Okay, the last is this Rolla Kuma holding a Kuma. Seriously, what's wrong with me right now? So, for the last squishy, I have Rolla Kuma holding a roll-up donut. Pada packaging. Nih, I'm gonna speak Indonesia. Jadi, ini sebenarnya packagingnya ini ada, packaging rumah ini ada. Ini kan yang license. Nah, tapi Rolla Kumanya ini pas aku karena aku bawa ke teman rumah teman aku. Terus boxnya itu hilang, sama kayak supplier semuanya itu hilang. Dan aku karena gara-gara teman aku kan, karena dia hilangin, jadi dia bilang taruh di packaging ini aja. Dan ini kind of cute buat aku, jadi udahlah nggak apa-apa. Ini ada packagingnya daripada enggak. Ini dia packagingnya. Ini cute kok. Aku suka banget pas ada cloud-cloudnya itu sama rainbow. But ya aku emang akan kinda sedih gitu lah. Ini yang first produce, karena yang first produce kayaknya nggak slow. But ya, namanya aja murah. Smell really good. I love it so much and really soft. Ta-da! Wow! La. Science. Yay, science! Or not. Thanks so for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.